Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't, and today we are going to fix this problem. Let me show you how this occurs. Click on yes. This is a USB creator and I am going to choose this bootable ISO here. Here it is, and choose this USB NTFS create USB, and you can see that we have this kind of problem. So just click on OK from here and close it. This problem occurs because you have the disk in GPT format and it is not in FAT32 also. So first of all, you have to convert it into the MBR format and also format it into FAT32. So download this software. This is free of cost. From this website, just download freeware and you can see it is downloaded. Close it. Here is the software. Double click it and let us click on yes and install. Click on OK. So now it is showing that I have already installed it. I'm just going to reinstall it. It will be removing the previous one. Now untick this option and this option also. Need to make sure that the first one is only ticked. Now click on next, yes. It will download Minitool Partition Wizard and install it. Click on finish to launch it. Close the browser. And here we have the Minitool Partition Wizard. So you can clearly see that the disk is in GPT format. So first of all, let us convert it into MBR and click on apply. Click on yes. There will not be any data loss, so don't worry about it. Now it is in MBR format, but the partition is in NTFS. So let us convert it into FAT. It is asking us to buy it. So now we have to format it. No other way we have. So just click on format and choose FAT32 from here. Now before clicking on OK, you need to make sure that you don't have any important data inside the partition of the USB drive. So first of all, you need to copy it and then you can just click on OK and click on apply. It will delete all your data, so make sure you have a backup of it. Now click on yes and wait for it, and it is done. Click on OK. Now the disk partition is in FAT32 format and the type of disk is MBR. Close Minitool partition, yes. And now if you try to launch this Easy USB creator and choose the ISO file and choose that USB and click on create USB, it is not showing us any kind of errors. So we have successfully fixed the problem as right here in all of the Windows versions. And you can see bootable USB is created. Click on OK and close it. Now please subscribe to Boostup Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.